Shine bright, our star. So me I say OneKnockTV, stay so bright, bright, bright. Keep on keeping it on and on and on. You don't know enough. A one star, a one knock. At them, shine bright.
So how you doing, sir?
But there, you know, I'm shining.
So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Spotlight, government, senators, you don't know. Born Kingston, Jamaica. Match is there. Shine bright, you don't know. Linstead, Station, New York. But them say, stars.
So how did you come by that name?
My brother, 4 boys. So me I say I'm the last one. But yet still I'm the tallest one. So they look at me and say, you know, say out of the family and you are the spotlight, because you're easily spotted. So that's why my brother say, yo, you name Spotlight. I'm just run with it and right away, I just develop the shine bright. Because if I'm in the spotlight, yeah, shine bright, you know, OneKnockTV, you don't know. Us are stars, stars are us.
So long have you been doing music?
I grew up in music, I should say. But professionally, my first recording was 1999. A title called Guinness for Chester Walker. You don't know the first song I do, it hit. The world know about it, because you know they turn commercial. So I say, and Guinness either run with it or do some road promotion all over the place. So right away, the first song, hit. One knock. The first song, hit. And from that you don't know, spotlight, shine bright, keep on keeping it on and on and on.
So from then until now, how have you seen the dancehall industry change?
Well, to me, and what I'm seeing, it's just keep on growing. There's no one level to it, because you know, sometimes dancehall rise to a level where nobody expect it would rise. You see me I say? And you can't limit it, because well, if a youth grow and come up and them add different twist to the thing. So me I say, so the thing it just keep on growing, and from my view, which part it there beyond that right now. So me I say, so it will grow.
You said you have been in music for since 99, but what really brought you to music?
What really brought me to music, I used to always follow my brother to studio. My brother at that time named Bulletproof. He was a recording artist as well. And I'm saying he made a voice for Fatta, Colin Fat, them time then. He depend some big rhythm with Jenna and B, them Ronin and all of them. So every day I used to go with him to the studio and used to help him pencil out 1 and 2 songs as well. So I saw come really get started, mixing like big up, Chester Walker, you don't know, shine bright.
So for those who don't know you, who have you worked with since 1999 upward until 2016?
I work with Chester Walker, I work with Snow Cone, I work with Scatterburrell, I work with a whole heap of different projects. I don't even remember some of them names. So I say, I think they're all over the world.
So what about artists?
I work with Pitney, artists named Pitney, Queen Paula, which other artists? I don't ever recall, I will go back in the catalog. So I say, but yeah man, a long time we in the thing.
So what can fans expect from you for summer 2016?
I want if I hit some come here some new thing. Big up Neil. Cornelius. Us are stars. I have a new thing. Right now, me I say, them see we thing I work now, but mine want push me in the dirt now, yeah. I me leave mama hurt now, but before me go down, really hurt, yo, yeah. I have a next thing named Spotlight. They wanna be where the spotlight is. Just 2 out of the few where, you know, coming and yeah, look out for the remix coming me a later rich. Mad thing, spotlight, they wanna be where the spotlight is. Where the, yeah, I'm a big up Bulla. That are the boss. Straight, us are stars, stars are us. Neil Cornelius. You don't know Bulla Stay, so big up yourself. You don't know a spotlight, shine bright.
So can fans expect an EP from your album anytime soon?
Yeah, High Intensity. That's the name of it. Look out for it. 12 tracks.
So do you have a scheduled date or it's still
Not
in
as
production?
we're still here in the production, you know what I'm saying? We're still putting it together. We have a lot of songs that we're going to choose from and a lot of collaboration, both local and overseas. So I say, so just look out for it, my people. You don't know, High Intensity, shine bright, a spotlight.
So for fans who want to see you, are there any shows that you have been booked for so far?
Right now, I'm not doing a show right now. Reason being, I just go and work in the studio. I work on some singles, you know what I'm saying, to put the EP together. So I say, but I'm not going to see me at the shows them because I'm all around, I'm always there to show them. You know what I'm saying, just, you know, meet and greet, because I have my fans them. So I say, so basically that's what's going on right now. So I'm not going to really simple on the show now, but videos. I have videos coming, you know what I'm saying, the remix with me and Gullibop, the thing I work. So I say, the one right now I got hard. So you are the good year really want to look out for my production. So I say, OneKnock, shine bright TV.
So I noticed you have been dabbing in the production, and I know that a lot of artists do both music and production. So tell us a little bit about that transition from music to production.
After a while, growing at the thing and get used to the thing and know the thing. And then sometimes some producer don't want to work with you. And through you overstand the thing and you know, say, yo, from you have the knowledge and the intelligence and you have your money, remember, from you have your money with your knowledge and your understanding, you know, say, yo, what them a do, you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? So I just go like so now, boom, and say, yo, since I'm done a writer and I'm done a performer, I've got to wait for some producer for really advise me, for put me out there, and the money them have to go spend, and me have my money. I say, yo, I know, I put my money in this, you know, because I believe in myself, so why not? Why not invest in yourself if you have your money? That's why I'm work hard, I'm save hard, play hard. OneKnockTV.
Give us a little taste of how fans have reacted to you on the streets and so forth.
From the fans them see them say, shine bright, how that? Spotlight, shine bright. Look on the man, the man does stay shining bright, which is right. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm saying spotlight from day one. I'm easily spotted. So when them see me, them always I say, yo, spotlight, you're a bad artist. Right now, you come around the place. I say, yo, I don't even want to run the place. We just want to feed you know, with more hot songs, span. You don't know. Come even have a thing and say, all the time keep this in mind. Impossible to shine when you're bad mind. All the time keep this in mind. Unstoppable to climb when you're bad mind. Shine bright.
So what about fans overseas?
Overseas, them love me. Whoa, them love me. Them love me. If I ain't go like saying Japan at the Bronx, and you say, I don't know artist name Spotlight. The man say, oh, Spotlight. That you they were always run up and down in a mingles. That you they were there on White Plains Road. That, listen me no man, OneKnockTV, more to come a Bronx and I go bring on a Bronx. And when I go see say, all of me answer right here. Real talk.
For those who want to follow you on social media, can you tell us where can you find you?
You can find me on social media, Spotlight Kunta Kunta, that's Kunta, Spotlight Kunta Kunta. Same way likewise on IG, you know what I'm saying, Instagram, Twitter. Yeah man, I have my own website, Spotlight Kunta Kunta, www.com. Shine bright. OneKnockTV, give me no man. Big respect to me. I say big up Bulla, I say big up Natural. I say Cornelius, us are stars are us. Them see we think I work now, but mine want push me in the dirt now, yeah. Want me leave mama hurt now, but me not go down and that hurt them. You think them easy, you think them nice, you think them good. No one spotlight rise, start live like king again. I make songs where you win again. I be a bad mind in a them greed, in a them corruption, in a them no bless, I sin a them, full and not in a them. Now the table go spin again. Them hungry and think we are good in a them, right? Then see we think I heard now. OneKnockTV, must our stars are shine bright, bright, bright. Stars.